Everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Cuban Cortadito without a fancy espresso machine. Hola mis cariños, bienvenidos a mi cocina. Les voy a mostrar cómo hacer un cortadito cubano sin sofisticadas máquinas. Before we go any further, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any recipes. Antes de empezar, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Well, what is a cortadito? Well, a cortadito is Cuban espresso topped with steamed milk and served in a 1 to 2 ounce cup. Cuban coffee is really strong. I'll usually have about 1 to 2 cups after breakfast, and throughout the day I'll have a cortadito. Cuban coffee is very important to the Cuban community. It's part of Cuban culture. Cubans are very passionate about coffee. Cuban coffee is the most popular drink on the island. And it's so popular that even they make songs about it. ¿Qué es un cortadito? Un cortadito cubano es la mitad de café y la mitad de leche. Así que es una proporción 1 a 1. Si alguna vez has tomado café cubano, sabrás que es muy fuerte, oscuro y muy dulce. La palabra cortadito significa cortar. Es como un mini café con leche. So the first thing you're going to need is a cafetera. The top part is where the coffee comes up from. Then you have the filter, and you want to completely fill that up. And then you have the basin where you put the water in. This part has a little spout where the coffee comes out of. You want to completely fill the filter so you can get dark coffee. When you're filling up the basin, don't overfill it because there's a valve there. And when you're filling up the water, you don't want the water to go over the valve. La cafetera tiene 3 partes. La parte de arriba es por donde entra el café. La parte central es un filtro. Y la tercera parte es para el agua. Ok, agregué el agua y no la llene en exceso. Luego pone el filtro en la mitad. Añade el café, pero llénalo completo. There are so many different brands of Spanish coffee. I prefer Café La Llave because it's not so bitter. Espresso comes either in a can or either in a package. Ahora le vamos a poner café en el filtro y tiene que presionarlo muy bien. Many people wonder how many teaspoons does it take to fill the filter. It depends on the size of the cafetera. Mine takes 5. Siguiente, por último, ponte la parte de arriba. Now you're going to put your coffee pot on the stove and you're going to open up the lid and let it start heating up. What we're going to do while we're waiting is we're going to make our crema. Le vamos a poner la cafetera a fuego. Cuando veas las primeras gotas de café, échalas en el azúcar. I'm adding 3 teaspoons of sugar to my cup so that I can make the crema. Le vamos a poner 3 cucharaditas de azúcar para hacer la crema. So our coffee is coming up, so we're going to add the coffee to the sugar and whip the sugar until we get a paste, a thick cream. Echa las primeras gotas de café sobre el azúcar y después pon la cafetera al fuego para completar el proceso y mezcla el azúcar muy rápido para hacer la pasta. Once you get a paste like this, then you want to set it to the side and start heating up your milk. You want your milk to simmer, not boil. Después de hacer la pasta, calentar la leche. So to create the foamy milk that Cortaditos are known for, I'm using a NutriBullet. You can use a hand whisk or a blender, anything that's going to cause air bubbles. Para hacer la espumosa, estoy usando una batidora eléctrica, pero si no tienes, usa cualquier cosa que tenga. Now our coffee is ready and we're going to pour it into our paste. El café está listo y le vamos a echar el café en la pasta y mezcla muy bien para hacer la espumita. Now you want to mix all the sugar together, especially the sugar at the bottom of the cup, so that it melts and it starts to create more of the foam. And the foam that forms from the sugar on top of the coffee is called espuma or espumita in Spanish. Now you want to fill your espresso cups, but you want to fill them halfway up because you're going to put half coffee and half milk. Le vamos a echar la mitad de su café y la mitad de la leche. Next, you want to take a spoon and scoop a little bit of the milk on top of your espresso, and there you have it, an authentic cortadito cubano. Y pon un poquito de leche encima y ya, eso es todo. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below because it helps my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any recipes. And also, don't forget hit the notification bell so you will know when I'm uploading new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis cariños, es todo para yo irme. Gracias por verme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like, deja un comentario y suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perder